Learn English with Om Nom. Learn English with Om Nom.
Carrot. D. Dragon fruit. E. Egg. F. Fan. G. Grapes. H. Hat. I. Ice cream. J. Jelly. K. Kiwi. L. Lollipop. M. Mango. N. Nest. O. Orange. B. Bear. Q. Quill. R. Radish. S. Strawberry. T. Tomato. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W, X, Y, Z. Watermelon. Xylophone. Yacht. Zucchini. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z.
Learn English with Om Nom.
Would you like to eat an egg? A yummy, yummy egg? Yes, yes, I'd like to eat an egg with some bread and some cheese, pepper butter and a pinch of salt, please. Would you like a slice of pizza? A yummy slice of pizza? Yes, yes, I'd love a slice of pizza with some olives and some cheese. Oregano, basil, I'll have one, please. Would you like a slice of cake? A yummy slice of cake? Yes, yes, let's bake a yummy cake with some icing and some cream, some chocolate, a cherry, just like a dream.
Learn English with Om Nom.
Blue super nom, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green super nom, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Pink super nom, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yellow super nom, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red super nom, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Awesome Om Nom super noms, where are you? Here we are, how do you do?
Learn English with Om Nom.
Sheep finger, where are you? Bah, bah, how do you do? A sheep goes bar. Chicken finger, where are you? Cluck, cluck, how do you do? A chicken goes cluck. Duck finger, where are you? Quack, quack, how do you do? A duck goes quack. Cow finger, where are you? Moo, moo, how do you do? A cow goes moo. Horse finger, where are you? Neigh, neigh, how do you do? A horse goes neigh.
Hello, Om Nom. Where are you going? It is so lovely here. Oh, yummy, delicious candy. Oh no, there goes the candy. Where's the candy going? The candy is crossing a maze. It's an alphabet maze. Here I come. A to B and over to C. Then I jump to O. Oh no, I'll go back to C and then from C to D, E, F, G, H, J. Let me go back to H. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Finally! Yummy!
Learn English with Om Nom.
Learn colors with Om Nom. What color is the lemon? What color is the lemon? Yellow, yellow. The lemon is yellow like the star, like the sun, like the sunflower. This is so much fun. What color is the strawberry? What color is the strawberry? Red, red. The strawberry is red like an apple, like a car. You're doing great, like a superstar. What color is the blueberry? What color is the blueberry? Blue, blue. The blueberry is blue like a ball, like a cloud. This is fun, so sing out loud. What color is the lollipop? What color is the lollipop? Pink, pink. The lollipop is pink like a candy, like an ice cream. This is wonderful, just like a dream. What color is the broccoli? What color is the broccoli? Green, green. The broccoli is green like a leaf. And the trees, like spinach, cucumber, lettuce and peas. And Om Nom!
Learn English with Om Nom.
Learn numbers with sea animals. Blue shark, where are you? One blue shark, do-do-do-do-do. One blue shark, do-do-do-do-do. One blue shark, do-do-do-do-do. One blue shark. Pink jellyfish, where are you? Two pink jellyfish, do-do-do-do-do. Two pink jellyfish, do-do-do-do-do. Two pink jellyfish, do-do-do-do-do. Two pink jellyfish. Red crabs, where are you? Three red crabs, do-do-do-do-do. Three red crabs, do-do-do-do-do. Three red crabs, do-do-do-do-do. Three red crabs. Orange clownfish, where are you? Four orange fish, do-do-do-do-do. Four orange fish, do-do-do-do-do. Four orange fish, do-do-do-do-do. Four orange fish. Yellow clams, where are you? Five yellow clams, do-do-do-do-do. Five yellow clams, do-do-do-do-do. Five yellow clams, do-do-do-do-do. Five yellow clams. Sea animals, do-do-do-do-do. Sea animals, do-do-do-do-do. Sea animals, do-do-do-do-do. Sea animals. One, red. Two, blue. Three, orange. Four, Yellow. Green. Six. Purple. Pink. Eight. Brown. Nine. Rainbow.